Now, the Me Too storm in the Malayalam industry continues to rage, with fresh complaints and murkier details emerging from the SIT probe. In a big relief for the actor turned Neta Mukesh, Session Court has now stayed his arrest till September 3rd. The two-time CPIM MLA had moved the court for a stay, and his plea for anticipatory bail will in fact be heard on September 3rd now. Now, earlier in the day, FIR was filed against Mukesh, actor Jayasuriya and 5 others in connection with this entire rot in the Malayalam industry. MLA Mukesh, in fact, residence became a stage for high political drama. Demand for the ouster of the Neta has been increasing, and demand, in fact, has been raised by the Bharatiya Janata Party and Congress. First, the Youth Congress and Mahila Congress functionaries took center stage and protested, and the demonstration saw dramatic scenes as Congress cadre tried to climb over the barricades. Now, later, the Bharatiya Janata Party staged a protest, and cops opened water cannon on the protesters to control the entire situation. Our Times now brings to you a report from the protest side as to what happened yesterday.
You can see the protesters here trying to breach the barricade and go towards Mukesh's residence, which is after 100 meters after this. And the opposition's demand is that Mukesh should resign with immediate effect as an MLA, and that we understand is that Mukesh knows that the charges that has been placed under Mukesh is of the sexual harassment, and that he, what we know is that actress Minu Munir, who had given the statement to the SIT yesterday, had said that Mukesh, along with 6 other people, which includes actor Jayasuriya, Idavela Babu, Manian Pillaraju, and 3 other technicians in the crew, all of these people have been named against against sexual molestation, misbehaving with the actress without her consent, trying to make advances physically is the charges that she has raised, and the police has now taken FIR, registered FIR against all these 7 people.